Okay, so it is day 2 of week 3, lesson 2 of week 3, and now we're looking at maps. So yesterday we were looking at scales and some maps, the scales of maps. Today we're going to look at maps and plans of houses. Okay, how do I measure the plans of a house? So this is week 3, lesson 2. Now, just so that you know, yesterday in the lesson 1 we looked at national road maps, right? You saw a road map and we studied a road map. There's all those national roads that I spoke about with the blue indicators. Here they don't have distance on this map, but now you understand about a map. This is a map that is been devised by probably the AA, like I said earlier. Also a national road map, also no numbers on it, okay, because it's just too small. It shows you the whole of South Africa, whereas the one we looked at in lesson 1 was just a small section. This is what they call a strip map. A strip map. Now, again, I'm going to give you another video that will include or show you what is strip maps, how to work out strip maps, and how to calculate strip maps. Alright? Then, this is a street map, and you're going to have to direct somebody. This is actually Athlone, quite interesting. You need to direct, say I say to you, you are standing at St. Columbus High School, which is now Spesbona, by the way. You are standing at St. Columbus High School, and I would like you to go to, I was going to say the Athlone Police Station, but I don't see. Let's go to Garlandale High School. Okay, so something that you're also going to have to do eventually is you're going to have to direct somebody how to walk to Garlandale High from Spesbona High or St. Columbus High School. Okay, there's no more St. Columbus, just saying it's now called Spesbona in reality. So you are going to go, you must then direct the person. On First Avenue, walk straight. But this isn't actually First Avenue. First Avenue is a white block. You have to say, follow the road as you come out of St. Columbus High School. You walk forward, you face. Now you must say, face, if you face north, or do you face south, or do you face east, or do you face west? Now in this case, south is here. I just know this in reality, but there has to be, on these maps, there has to be a key that points out what is south, what is north, what is east, what is west. Okay, or it's just an arrow that shows you an N with a direction, and then you know. So anyway, I know. So as you come out of St. Columbus High School gates, you walk to the street, and you face south, and then you go straight up and you walk straight up and you pass. So now you're gonna go, this is one small white road, you pass Mossman Road, then you pass Manley Road, you probably won't see the names, then you pass Coningsby Street, then you go to Tremerton Street, and you can't, can you see here, this thing ends here, so you have to go all the way up to Athlone Street. And once you face Athlone Street, you turn left into Athlone Street and you walk straight facing this time it would be east, and you face east and you walk straight, and then you turn, you keep going past. Now you look at the name of this street, this is 3rd Avenue. You keep walking past 3rd Avenue, you keep going, and the road will curve because it's a cul-de-sac, and so it's called Cressy Road. But then you will get the gates of Garlandale High School. So you are going to have to do something like that. This is a popular question in your final paper, okay? This street maps. Anyway, that's not what I wanted to do tonight, in this lesson. Let's move on. Then you're also going to have to look at housing complexes, housing complex maps. All right, but let's not go into this now. Let's just move on. We can always come back to this again. This is what I want to focus on: house floor and elevation plans. This is the plans of a house. Okay, there you see, this is what I spoke about earlier. So this is north. North is so your bedroom and your patio faces north. Okay, bedroom 3 window, bedroom 3's window faces north, or the side window faces north, the back window faces, so if this is north, that is west. So you would say bedroom 3's back window faces west next to the bathroom 3, but its side window, the side of the house, faces north. And then here's the patio. Also, something you must remember, this quarter circle, you see this quarter circle represents a door. So here's a door, there's a door, there's another door. Sorry, here's a door, there's a door. Yeah, there's quite a few doors, right? So they might ask you, count how many doors is in the house, inner doors. Okay, and then this here, this thickish line represents a window. So there is a window from bedroom 1 looking north onto the patio. That is how you explain. If you exit the kitchen, you go onto the patio through this external door. Okay, and then here, if you exit the lounge on the south side, because that's north, opposite to north is south, on the south side, then you exit the door on the south side. There is one window on the south side, because that's a window. The bedroom 2 window is on the south side of the house. So you must understand directions. That's what they mean by elevation plans. Okay, but that's for another lesson. I'm just giving you a briefing. Now, we already calculated scales. I'm not going to do this again. We did this in lesson 1. We did this in lesson 1 also. It's just a recap of what we did in lesson 1. Now, there's the bar scale. There's another bar scale. And then a number scale. I already explained this to you. 1 unit on the map is 1 unit in real life. 100 units in real life on this scale here. Okay, so you take a ruler. Now watch here. There is the scale. Okay, remember we worked it out. So this white, this is what I spoke about. You get a white, then a black, then a white, then a black. This is a bar, different bars, right? So in this case, if you measured, let's see the ruler. Yeah, if you measured 1 centimeter on your ruler, let's go back up, it is equal to 1 meter in real life. So in other words, oh wait, yeah, so we are looking at 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters is the same as 4 meters. Now remember, this is a house. It can't be in kilometers. It has to be in meters. Alright? So I think it should have maybe been, this scale maybe is wrong. It should have been 40 meters or something like that in real life. Okay? Because you don't get a 4 meter. Yes, you do get a 4 meter wall. Yes, you do. You don't get a 40 meter wall in reality. Okay, so then you take your ruler and then you do your scale. There we go. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter in reality. So now I'm measuring the garage. Watch. Let me take the ruler away again. Here's my garage. Okay, I take a ruler. Sorry. And I measure. The ruler says 5 centimeters. This garage is 5 centimeters. So if I want to calculate it now, the garage measures 5 centimeters on the map, And we know that our scale that we worked on here on this bar, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So therefore, you multiply by 5, you multiply by 5 to get it to 5 centimeters. The example we did in lesson 1 was dividing. But now it is 5 centimeters on the map is equal to 5 meters in reality. Okay, so that is how you work out this. Okay, and there we go. I'm giving you this floor plan, the same floor plan that we just worked on here now. And then you need to please go and do the questions that follow. I will include the homework shortly. And that is it for this lesson. Very quick and short. Thank you so much.